Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in mutual funds on Fidelity. All right, let's get straight into it. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first is online investing. So how you want to do that is by accessing your Fidelity accounts online, and then once you're logged into your account, choose the invest option and select mutual funds, and then you want to enter the mutual fund symbol or name to search for the funds that you want to invest in, and then just review the fund profile, including its investment objectives, holdings, and of course its performance, and then just enter the amount that you want to invest in the mutual fund. And once you're done with that, just review the investment details and confirm the transaction. Now for mobile app investing, what you got to do is to open the Fidelity mobile app on your device, and then log into your accounts and choose the invest option, and then select mutual funds, and then just follow the same steps as the online investing process, and that's going to help you to set that up. Now for phone investing, all you got to do is just call Fidelity's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and that's going to connect you to a representative, and then just share the mutual fund symbols and investment amount with the representative, and they're going to confirm the investment details, and then they're going to help you to get that all set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to invest in mutual funds on Fidelity. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.